By this time next year, Lamborghini will have a significantly different lineup. The Aventador will be a thing of the past, the Urus will be a hybrid, and the Huracan will also be phased out in favor of a brand new hybrid sports vehicle that shares technology with the Revuelto. The replacement has been spotted in spy photos for some time, but the carmaker has only revealed a few specifics about it so far, such as the fact that it will replace the V10 with a plug-in hybrid V8. Specifics like electric range, cost, and performance are being held back by the firm until the official release. Luckily, our wait won't be too long. In a few months, the new Lambo ought to appear. Here's what we do know about the next sports car till then. Lamborghini's naturally aspirated V10 is no longer available. Alternatively, a plug-in hybrid V8 turbocharged engine with an unknown displacement and output will power this new vehicle. According to rumors, the engine will only engage the turbos when it reaches 7,000 RPM, and it will have a redline of 10,000 RPM. The Revuelto's 8-speed, dual-clutch automatic transmission is said to work with it. The new hybrid powertrain's horsepower output has not been disclosed by Lamborghini. The model's final offering, the Huracan STJ, made its debut a little over a month ago and boasted 631 horsepower and 417 pound-feet of torque. With the recently unveiled Revuelto and Urus SE producing 1,001 horsepower and 739 horsepower, respectively, there is potential for the next supercar to outperform the Huracan it replaces. The base price of the modern Huracan is $250,000, while the high-performance STO variant can go up to $350,000. If the new hybrid supercar's starting price approaches $300,000, we wouldn't be stunned.